Today, we're diving deep into essential URL training to help you navigate the web's dangers like a pro. I'm here to guide you through mastering URL safety, a key skill in protecting both yourself and our company online. First off, what is a URL? Standing for Uniform Resource Locator, a URL is essentially the web's roadmap, but not all roads lead to safe places. Understanding the anatomy of a URL helps us distinguish safe paths from hazardous ones. A secure URL starts with HTTPS//a signaling encryption. Its domain name should be familiar and correctly spelled. Let's examine a real-world example. Cyber threats often hide in plain sight within malicious URLs. They mimic legitimate ones with tiny alterations meant to deceive. Here's how to spot these imposters. Key red flags include unexpected URLs, those with odd character sequences and shortened links that mask the true destination. Let's walk through spotting these in an email scenario. Protecting yourself isn't just about recognizing dangers, it's about proactive defense. Always verify a URL's authenticity before engaging. Hovering over links to see their destination and utilizing URL safety checkers are your digital shields. Implementing URL training isn't a one-time task. It's a continuous commitment to cybersecurity culture within our daily operations. If you're unsure about a URL, it's better to pause and verify rather than click and regret it. Reporting suspicious links helps safeguard our entire digital ecosystem. URL safety is more than a skill. It's our collective responsibility in this interconnected digital era. By staying informed and proactive, we can thwart cyber threats and browse with assurance. Keep up with our series for more insights into cybersecurity. Remember, together, we are stronger, and follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube.